Okay, so today I'm going to go over how to do rooms, room tags, separate the rooms, kind of this area right here. So first we're going to go to the wall section here, and we're just going to make basic house. So we're going to have, like, say, maybe closed room here, and we do like something there. Really nice house here. Sure, and then you got your door. Just put basic front door here, and then okay. So kind of weird, interesting house. Kind of something like that. So we're gonna go into here, and we got rooms. So you're gonna go to the room here, and you want to have the automatic placement, and it'll find and snap the room. So it'll make a room there, make a room there, make a room there. But now, well, you got a kitchen and you got a living room and stuff in here, but it's gonna see it as one room. So to fix that, you go to Room Separator, and what Room Separator does is say, well, this is going to be like the kitchen area, and now you've separated that little piece off, and say, well, maybe over here we got dining and living, and then maybe just here we got some hall space and whatnot. So because we separated the rooms, you can also hide these so you don't see them if you want to during your model and whatnot. But now you go to rooms and see, even though if it's hidden, we now can make this a room, that a room, and now that a room. And then in the rooms, you can go label it, say this is bed 1, and you got, oh, oops, we don't want to edit the block. Bed 1, bed 2, whatever, so forth. And then also in architecture, it will give you the area. So this will be our level 1. Yep. And it will show you the area when you go say, hey, I want this area. And it will tell you the area as well. So that's basically how you can separate your rooms, label them what you want, and find the area of them.